Welcome to Money Mastery, where we kick off a brand new series on trading strategies, starting with one of the most powerful tools in the stock market. Options might sound intimidating, but they're actually an exciting way to grow your wealth once you understand how they work. Most beginners think options are confusing at first, but in just a few minutes, you'll see how simple they really are. Let's start with the basics and understand what options really are. Options are contracts that give you the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell a stock at a fixed price within a fixed time. An option contract breaks down into a few key parts: the right to buy, the right to sell, a fixed price, and a fixed time. Imagine a phone worth 50,000 rupees. You pay 500 rupees to lock in your right to buy it, and when the price jumps to 60,000, you profit. If the price rises, you win, but if it falls, you only lose that small premium you paid up front. That phone example works exactly like stock options. Same logic, same mechanics. So why do traders actually use options in the first place? Options trading offers three big advantages: leverage, protection through hedging, and speculation. Leverage lets you control large positions with just a small amount of capital. Protection, or hedging, helps you safeguard your portfolio when markets get uncertain. Speculation allows you to profit by predicting whether prices will go up or down. Options can be risky, but once you understand them, they become a powerful tool in your trading journey. Now let's look at the two main types of options you'll encounter. There are call options and put options. They're opposites, each betting on different market directions. A call option gives you the right to buy at a fixed price when you expect the price to rise. Say you think Reliance is going up. You buy a call option. The price rises, and you win. If the price rises, you profit, but if it falls, you only lose the premium. A put option gives you the right to sell at a fixed price when you expect the price to fall. If you think Nifty is dropping, you buy a put option, the price falls, and you win. When the price falls, you profit, but if it rises, you only lose the premium. Let's cover some important terms you'll hear all the time in options trading. Premium is the price you pay to buy an option contract. Strike price is the predetermined price at which you can buy or sell the stock. Lot size means options trade in bundles, not single shares. Expiry is the deadline. Options must be used by this date or they become worthless. Just like food has an expiry date, options also expire, and that deadline drives a lot of the action. Now let's talk about how traders actually make money with options. There are two main approaches: option buying and option selling, each with different capital needs and risk profiles. Option buying requires small capital and offers high profit potential with fast moves, but time decay can hurt you. Option selling needs higher capital, but provides stable income and lower risk, though it demands discipline. In this series, we will explore both strategies step by step with easy-to-understand approaches. Here's a fun analogy to make options crystal clear. Think of them like cinema tickets. Buying a movie ticket for a specific showtime is just like paying an option premium. Both are upfront costs for time-limited rights. If you don't use your movie ticket, you lose only the ticket money, nothing more. Missing the movie show is like a stock not moving your way. You lose just the initial payment. Let's quickly recap everything we've covered today. We learned what options are, why traders use them, the difference between calls and puts, key terms, and how to profit. Coming up, we'll dive into option buying strategies, option selling strategies, option Greeks, and advanced concepts. Get ready for powerful learning ahead. If this video helped you understand trading better, share it with someone ready to learn. Spreading knowledge builds a stronger community of informed traders and investors. Subscribe to Money Mastery and unlock your path to financial freedom. It's your step-by-step guide to building wealth and mastering your finances. Before we wrap up, here's one final reminder to keep you moving forward. Stay consistent with your learning, stay invested in your future, and keep mastering your money. See you in the next video.